I bought and tested these car ramps so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why I've put these ramps through their paces, so you can make an informed decision without the hassle. Let's dive into the top 5 car ramps that stand out in terms of quality, usability, and safety. Product number 1: Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. Let's kick things off with the Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. My first experience with these ramps was surprisingly positive. Out of the box, I noticed how lightweight they were. Each ramp weighs just 19 pounds, making them incredibly easy to maneuver. I could lift and position them without straining my back, which is a huge plus for anyone who likes to work on their vehicles at home. The ramps measure 35.5 inches in length and 12 inches in width, with an impressive lifting height of 6.25 inches. I found this height to be just right for performing oil changes and routine maintenance. As I drove my sedan up the ramps, I felt a reassuring stability due to the specialty internal support system that runs through the ramp's core. This feature ensures weight is distributed evenly, which is vital for safety. The grid design is another thoughtful touch, allowing water, snow, and dirt to filter through. This is particularly useful in adverse weather conditions. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the durable plastic construction is resistant to corrosion, which means these ramps should last a long time. Also, their lightweight nature makes them incredibly portable. However, I did notice that while they can support vehicles up to 10,000 pounds, their plastic material may not be as robust as metal ramps. So, if you're planning to use these for heavier vehicles frequently, you might want to consider something more heavy-duty. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable, lightweight ramp for regular car maintenance without the need for extreme durability, the Black Widow ramps are a solid choice. They're easy to use, and you'll appreciate the thoughtful design that keeps safety in mind. Product number 2: Rockland 4-ton Steel Car Ramp Set. Next up is the Rockland 4-ton Steel Car Ramp Set. At first glance, you can tell these are built for heavy-duty use. Weighing in at 33.1 pounds, they are constructed from solid steel, which is a major advantage for those who want something built to last. The ramps can support vehicles up to 8,000 pounds, making them ideal for cars, SUVs, and even pickup trucks. When I tested these out, I was impressed by the maximum lift height of 9 inches. This height provided ample space for me to slide under my SUV for an oil change. The ramps also feature a grab-and-go design with side grooves, making them easy to lift and carry around. I found it convenient to store them vertically in my garage without taking up much space. Let's delve into the pros and cons. The heavy-duty steel construction is a standout feature, ensuring durability and reliability. The ramp's design is ideal for a wide range of tire sizes, accommodating up to 12.5 inches in width. However, at a price of $135.59, these ramps are on the pricier side. Additionally, while they are great for heavier vehicles, their weight can make them cumbersome if you need to move them frequently. In summary, if you're someone who works on a variety of vehicles and needs a ramp that can handle weight and wear, the Rockland ramps are an excellent investment. Their robust construction and lift height make them a top choice for DIY mechanics. Product number 3: ROBLOCK Car Ramps. Moving on to the ROBLOCK car ramps, I was particularly excited to try these out because they are specifically designed for low chassis vehicles. At first glance, their compact size caught my attention. Measuring 17.5 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and only 3.14 inches in height, they are perfect for sports cars and modified vehicles. When I drove my low-profile sedan onto these ramps, I was thrilled with how smoothly it went up the incline. The ramp has a slope of 17 degrees, allowing for a gradual ascent that doesn't put strain on the vehicle. The honeycomb design enhances traction, so I felt secure while working underneath the car. Plus, the surface drainage design prevents moisture buildup, which is a thoughtful feature for someone who works in varying weather conditions. However, let's talk about the pros and cons. The lightweight design, weighing only 5.3 pounds, makes them incredibly portable and easy to store, which is a significant advantage. On the downside, while the ramps support up to 20,000 pounds, they may not be suitable for heavier vehicles without a low profile. This could limit their utility for some users. In conclusion, if you own a low chassis vehicle and need a dependable ramp for maintenance, the Roblock ramps are an excellent option. Their thoughtful design and lightweight construction make them a winner in my book. Product number 4, Ironton Poly Car Ramp Set. Next on our list is the Ironton Poly Car Ramp Set. When I first set my eyes on these ramps, I was impressed by their high-impact poly construction, which is both lightweight and resistant to corrosion. The ramps weigh about 20.6 pounds, making them easy to transport around the garage or wherever you need them. Testing these ramps was a breeze. They accommodate vehicles up to 12,000 pounds, which is perfect for most cars and light trucks. The non-skid tread pattern was a pleasant surprise, providing excellent tire traction and reducing the risk of slipping. I felt confident working under my vehicle with these ramps in place. Plus, the rubber feet keep the ramps stable, which is crucial when you're working underneath a car. Let's break down the pros and cons. The lightweight design makes them easy to handle, and the 12,000 lb capacity is impressive for the size. However, while they are sturdy for most vehicles, they might not be ideal for heavier trucks or larger vehicles. The dimensions are also a bit standard, which may not accommodate some larger tire widths perfectly. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use ramp set for everyday maintenance, the Ironton Poly Car Ramps are a great choice. They strike a good balance between weight, capacity, and ease of use. Product number 5, TOWKING High Profile Car Ramps. Finally, we have the TOWKING High Profile Car Ramps. I was drawn to these ramps because they support a whopping 13,000 pounds, making them suitable for a variety of vehicles from SUVs to light trucks. With a lift height of 7 inches, they offer plenty of clearance for oil changes and inspections, which I found incredibly useful. I loved the anti-slip pads that came with these ramps, ensuring they stayed firmly in place during use. The self-alignment front stop was another thoughtful feature that helped me park my vehicle perfectly on the ramps without assistance. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The high weight capacity and lift height make these ramps incredibly versatile. However, they are not recommended for vehicles with very low ground clearance, which may limit their appeal. Additionally, while the price is reasonable at $109.76, some might find it a bit steep for a pair of ramps. In conclusion, if you need a reliable ramp that offers excellent weight support and lift height, the TOWKING ramps are worth considering. They provide great stability and safety for your vehicle maintenance tasks. In conclusion, choosing the right car ramp can significantly enhance your vehicle maintenance experience. Each of these ramps offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, heavy-duty, or designed for low-chassis vehicles, there's a ramp in this list that will fit your requirements. Remember, investing in quality equipment not only makes your work easier, but also ensures safety while you're under your vehicle. Happy wrenching!